Life on Earth has faced 5 mass extinctions, catastrophic events that wiped out most species on the planet. From asteroid impacts to supervolcanoes, these disasters have reshaped the course of evolution. But what about the next one? Could humanity survive a mass extinction, and more importantly, how? Let's start with a quick tour of Earth's darkest days. The most famous mass extinction happened 66 million years ago, when an asteroid struck Earth, wiping out the dinosaurs and 75% of all species. But that was just one of 5 major extinctions. There was the Permian-Triassic event, 252 million years ago, where 96% of all marine life and 70% of land species vanished, likely due to massive volcanic eruptions and climate change. These events remind us that life on Earth is fragile, and while they're rare, they're not impossible. So what could cause the next mass extinction? The next mass extinction could come from several sources. Let's break them down. Asteroids are the classic doomsday scenario. A large enough impact could trigger fires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter, blocking sunlight and collapsing ecosystems. Thankfully, we're getting better at detecting and deflecting asteroids. Missions like NASA's DART are testing ways to nudge asteroids off course, but we need to stay vigilant and lucky. Supervolcanoes like Yellowstone could erupt with the force of thousands of nuclear bombs, spewing ash and gases into the atmosphere. This could trigger a volcanic winter, collapsing agriculture and causing global famine. While we can't stop a supervolcano, we might be able to predict an eruption and prepare for its aftermath, stockpiling food, developing resilient crops, and finding ways to cool the planet. Climate change is a slow-motion disaster, but its effects could be just as devastating as an asteroid or volcano. Rising temperatures, extreme weather, and collapsing ecosystems could push Earth past a tipping point. The good news? Unlike asteroids or volcanoes, this is a problem we can solve by transitioning to clean energy, protecting ecosystems, and innovating our way out of the crisis. Pandemics might not cause mass extinctions on their own, but they could weaken human civilization, making us more vulnerable to other threats. COVID-19 was a wake-up call. We need better global health systems and faster responses to outbreaks. So, how do we survive the next mass extinction? The answer lies in preparation, innovation, and cooperation. First, we need to protect ourselves from space threats. This means investing in asteroid detection and deflection technologies and building a global early warning system. Second, we need to build resilient infrastructure, cities that can withstand extreme weather, food systems that can adapt to changing climates, and energy grids that are decentralized and robust. Third, we need to work together. Mass extinctions don't care about borders. Whether it's sharing resources during a crisis or collaborating on climate solutions, humanity's survival depends on unity. Finally, we need to think bigger. Becoming a multi-planet species, starting with Mars, would ensure that even if Earth faces a catastrophe, humanity could survive elsewhere. Mass extinctions are scary, but they're also a reminder of how resilient life can be. After every disaster, life has bounced back, evolving into new and incredible forms. And with our knowledge, technology, and determination, humanity has a chance not just to survive, but to thrive. The next mass extinction doesn't have to be the end. It could be a new beginning. So what do you think? Can we survive the next mass extinction, or will we become just another chapter in Earth's history? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the universe with us. Until next time, stay curious.